Hi guys, welcome to Next Gen Visits. This is our first video of our Go High Level series. In this video, we will actually focus on understanding what Go High Level is, who is it for, and why is it such a powerful platform. So, starting with Go High Level is actually an all-in-one platform which is basically designed for agencies and businesses. Now, instead of using multiple tools for different tasks, GoHighLevel actually brings everything together under one dashboard. It actually helps you manage your leads, automate your follow-ups, book appointments, track all the customer appointment, communication, everything in one place. Now, many businesses actually struggle because they use too many disconnected tools and um, they're just looking for one CRM that can basically do everything for them instead of using multiple tabs, multiple apps for everything. And then there's just hassle on integrating them, making sure that everything is connected properly, everything is working. This is what HighLevel does for you. Now, this often actually leads to mislead, slow responses, overlooking many things such as poor tracking. GoHighLevel actually solves this problem for you by combining everything into a single platform. Now, this is very easy to use. It's actually built for digital marketing services, service-based businesses, coaches, consultants, and local businesses as well. One of the core features of HighLevel is its all-in-one CRM. It stores all of your leads, customer in one place, including their messages, their calls, and their appointment histories. Another powerful feature is its funnel and websites. GoHighLevel actually allows you to create landing pages and funnel without any coding. It's a simple drag and drop feature that makes it easier for you to capture leads and then grow your businesses. Automation workflows are one of the strongest parts of HighLevel. What you can do is you can actually automate emails, SMS, and you can actually follow up with leads, remind clients about their appointments, upcoming appointments, and then you can stay connected without doing all the manual work. What else do anyone want? It also has its own built-in email and SMS marketing feature, which means you don't need any third-party app like Twilio or Mailchimp to send out email and SMS for you. You can just do that inside HighLevel. Businesses basically choose HighLevel because it actually saves time, reduces cost, and improves everything. Everything works together when it's in one system, and it actually helps you respond faster, and you just never miss an opportunity. In the next video, we'll actually talk about um, HighLevel in much depth. We'll see all the HighLevel dashboard and see how these amazing features works for you. Subscribe to Next Gen Visits for more amazing content like this, and this is how you can learn HighLevel step by step.